Okay, so example 1. Given an isosceles triangle QRS with vertex angle Q, so that means that's the one that's not equal to the other one, and the following side lengths QR, RS, and QS, find the length of RS. All right, I'm noticing a couple of things here. First, that they don't give me a picture. So whenever you're not given a picture, make sure that you give yourself a visual to look at. Draw a pic. So, triangle QRS. So the vertex, I'm going to use my diagram up here to help me. They're saying that the vertex is Q, which means that Q is going to be at the top. And then the R and the S can go in any spot. Q, R, S. What's important is that you have the Q at the vertex angle. That's the important piece. So now we have these side lengths that we can label. We've got side QR, which is going to be 7x minus 19. We have side RS, which is 15x minus 36. And then lastly, we have side QS, terrible, there we go, which is 4x plus 26. Okay, so now that I have a diagram drawn and labeled, now I can make some sense of this. So they want me to find the length of RS. Now keep in mind, I might not be able to jump right to that. I might have to do some things first. Well, like I'm always telling you, define the key words, figure out what we're dealing with here. And in an isosceles triangle, that's my key word. I know that an isosceles triangle has two congruent sides. Well, we know that those two congruent sides are my legs, which in this case are what two sides? My red and my blue. In this case, my QS is congruent to RQ. Those two legs are congruent. This guy here and this one here. So I can use that to make the equation. Let's go orange and let's zoom in. QS expression equals QR. So 4x plus 26 equals 7x minus 19. Now I'm going to go ahead and solve that. 4x plus 26 is equal to 7x minus 19. I'm going to minus this 4x to both sides. 26 is equal to 3x minus 19. Add the 19 to both sides. We're almost there. 3x is equal to 9 plus 6 is 15. 3, 45. And last but not least, x ends up being 45 divided by that is 15. So we found x, but we have not yet answered the question. We were able to find the value of x using my two equal side lengths and setting them equal. Now I can go back in and find that RS. So RS is equal to 15x minus 36. And we now know that x is equal to 15. So just a little math to finish that off. 15 times 15 is 225, minus 36 is 189, and we don't have any units. It's not degrees because it's not an angle, so we'll just call that units. Boom. So we use the fact that two of those sides were equal to set them equal, solve for x, and then find what they were asking for.